I just come here to come give advice to people. Yeah, I said, may I just still do as part of news. Let me tell you, in this 2021, no let the mistake you make 2020 repeat itself this 2021. Remember, let me do this logic to you. Remember, you know, we always talk about in 5 years time, in 5 years time, in 5 years time, I will do this one. In 5 years time, I will build house on the hair. 5 years don't pass. You still there where you did. You still get out retarded grow. You not go down. Maybe probably you not go down. You not go up. You still there where you did. Most people will be say they did diaspora. Start saving money. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. You understand? Anything can happen. Make sure you believe in yourself and you will achieve your aim, your purpose. Make sure everything what you do, you always think of tomorrow. Don't let people talk you out of your destination. Because you get people go talk you understand? You go miss way. You know, this thing happen in you know, between Rumadolo, Rumadolo and Rimwigbo. If you go Rimwigbo, you get one street where I get one friend there for Port Harcourt. I'm talking of Port Harcourt, not River State. You get one girl, and this girl they do a shower walk. So me and her they talk then, and I can't make friend with her because she was kind of lean. She was sick. I made friend with her. Then she see me escort her and go house. I can't escort her. I not reach her house. I don't know the kind God who just used me that day to tell her this thing. I don't know. Even with myself, see me myself. The following 3 days, I sit down. I cried and I say, God, why did you use me to to speak this at the right time? I know I call at right time. So when I call say it near a house. Now I say I want to stop here because I need to go back to where they sleep. And I call and I say, where your house there? He say, now my house that one so. And I say, I'm a very fine painted upstairs. You know, when you they live from Port Harcourt to River State to when you they live for fence house, you know, story building. You know the level of the person. Then after I say, is that your house? I say, do you see that house now? I say, yes. I say, that is your destiny. If you are not careful, you will not reach that destiny. He say, how? I say, try your best to make sure when you are walking, you never, don't be distracted. The distraction where they talk now, this work way they do. And I don't know, say this guy get inner disease inside where he get from the work which they do. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. Now I tell her, I say, that is your house now. You see your house, you see her so. But you get how you go reach, you know Richard, because of distraction. The following 2 days, now I hear you say this girl don't die. I cry. I'm telling you the truth. Sometimes we they see our destiny. But we not feel the destination. Why? Because of distraction. I want to tell you this, you know where this one I come from village. I don't say sometimes, listen, if we bring out tomatoes, pepper, your parents, your mama, and she the cool time, you will bring out tomato, you can't wash her, then you can't grab the one, no stone, you can't grab the one. Then the wasted one, you can't carry her, no, come with train, just throw away. Come back the following week. All those wasted way throw away, they will come germinate. You understand? They will come germinate, come begin to come. Then I'll call they produce good ones. Sometimes when people reject you, know that very soon they will call you back and need you in life. That's what I say. Me today, I don't compete with anybody. I don't listen to people's talk. See, when I started my work, I know what people talk about my work. You are a man of God. No, I don't listen to people. Someone I love, which I will not mention name, the first time we spoke, The first word wey just tell me, he say, my brother, I like your work. No listen to anybody advice if you want to grow. And that is why I am going today. So we say, Agbos, oh, that video you do, your head cut. That video you do, your hands raise up. That video you do, your nyash is too big. You know, all those kind of things. These are the distractions that can make you not reach your pinnacle. Pinnacle means destination. This 2020, not let am pass you by. Let am be your year. Let am be your year. See, Bible say God used the foolish thing to confirm the wise. That's why I made that parable. Not be parable, it dey happen. It dey happen now. It don't happen in our eye. Even the same thing wey corn, you throw away corn. They say you give corn a week. They say they don't rain fall. They don't understand. What you need in life, you need the sun. You understand? And that's what they call it, photosynthesis. You need sun and rain to fall on you, to shine on you, so that you will rise. That's anything they do. Let God be the foundation. God is the rain and sun. Anything you are doing, just pray to God. That's when you start anything, just pray to God. God will bless you with it. Don't listen to people. Now I tell you one thing. No, I don't tell this thing before. You understand? See, people can travel 500 miles to bury you, but they cannot cross the street to help you. Learn, no. Stand your ground. Believe in yourself. I already talk. You know, the only way to discover the limit of possibilities for you to go beyond them into impossible. Stand your ground. You can make it. Oh. Believe you can make it. Even when people say you are ugly, believe you are beautiful. You can make it. Now somebody asks, can any good thing come from Nazareth? People feel say, this guy feel produce something. Can any good thing come from this person? People don't they live as a testimony. Oh. Even me myself, can any good thing come from Agmos? And I am working myself hard to prove some people wrong. People today believe I cannot be a millionaire, and I am proving them wrong. People believe you cannot be a millionaire. Work hard to make sure you prove them wrong. I beg, God not go carry Ghana must go money, put her for street to wait you. God no go, you know, as you dey lie down for your bed, you know, control away money. You understand? God give you. So yeah, my son, take this one. God you to establish. Work hard, my people. I not to get within I want to talk. Try your best. 2021 is your year. 2021 is my year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. We don't just say Happy New Year. See you. If you see, man, 31st of every year, people they enter church. Happy New Year. Once they come out, their life still remain the same. It never change. The only thing that can make your life change is your hand work. Hard work. Hand work. Hard work. Now, so I already talk. We know to be poor. Passing over opportunity repeatedly. Passing over opportunity repeatedly. Opportunity can never come to you while you fold your hands, sitting in the parlor, watching television from morning till night, and you continue the following day. Opportunity cannot come to you while you lie on your bed, snore from morning till night. Come out. Do something. Do something. Those ones wey dey Spain, you don't ever see wash night and on Christmas day rain go fall. But this year, I mean 2020 Christmas, rain fall, wash night and rain fall on Christmas. For you to know say the world is changing. Don't wait for someone to come and knock your door. So yeah, take this money before you wake up. Stand up, come out and do something. Just anything you find yourself doing, provided it does not hurt a soul. Do it and God will bless you. I come in peace. So subscribe to Agbons TV, follow me on Instagram or Facebook page, and God will bless you.